oh wimbo it, 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 oh wimbo it. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. Oh wee.
There's a thing in there.
It's the Aardvark.
Oh, he's in that hole. The secretary, a secretary bird.
Picture though, doing real life. Look, it's a noni tree.
Someone farted.
That would be the giraffes.
Are giraffes naturally gassy creatures? Do they eat a lot of acidic foods?
They eat a lot of people.
Giraffes eat people, Jackie?
The ones I know.
The ones you know. Well, I don't know where you've been.
I'm in Omaha.
Benches donated, dedicated to Freddy Krueger.
From Friday the 13th.
Dude, where are the giraffes?
The circle of life.
He looks so much
look,
better
he's
in
so
person.
Big. He looks so much better in person. I've seen a lot of pictures, but this by far. Oh man, we've got the whole pack here.
Oh my god.